What's up, guys? Today we're going to be running our usual gaming test. We have the iPhone 11 here, and let's go ahead and check it out. So it's got me on high graphics on PUBG right now, so let's go ahead and hop into a game and check it out. Alright, so far the game is very smooth, and one of the things you'll notice, the notch on here, coming from the Mi 9T with no notch, you can see it kind of just cuts off parts of the display, which is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know how gamers will like this, because you can kind of take advantage of not being able to see, you know, that part of the screen. But if I hop back into the graphics, you can see we're on high. I can go to ultra and HDR settings, so I can put it on that, and then let's see how it performs. So it's still pretty smooth, it's not really lagging at all. I think we got someone. Yeah, he's dead. I'm not gonna kill this chick. Get her, get her. Oh my god. Oh, I got her. Yes, she's dead. Ooh, almost got killed there. Alright guys, we got Fortnite on here. I don't really play Fortnite, but I'll show you guys the settings and everything. So quality is on epic, so you can play on epic at 30 frames. You can't go to 60 frames on epic, but you can go to 60 frames on high. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. And then I guess we can switch back. Check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and start a match. Alright, so this is what the game's looking like. It's playing very smooth, very fast. Go ahead and drop. Graphics look really beautiful, guys. And again, I don't even think we're on the highest settings here. Yeah, we're not on the highest settings. You have to switch back to epic to check that out. But looks really nice. The display is pretty good. It's giving off some good color. Very nice. The phone is starting to get a little hot up here where the camera is, so it's no real lag at all. Very impressive. And I don't think I'm getting shot. I do want to show you guys the settings. Oh, I'm dead. I think somebody's shooting at me. This person. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I don't know how to. Oh my god. I don't know how to play this. Oh my god. Alright, since I died, now we're gonna go to settings. Go on epic at 30 frames per second. See what that looks like. So as you can see, it's working just fine. Graphics do look much better. Look a little bit better. And we're not getting any lag at all, once again, which is very impressive. So this is a really nice looking game, but I just don't play it. I don't know how to play it. So moving on to the next game.